Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yvette Quale and I like to create craft tutorials for beadwork, junk journaling, paper crafting, and more. I also like to do completed journal flip-throughs, shop shares, and a bunch of other crafty stuff. So in today's video, we're going to look at these three little mini one signature journals that I've created. These are for a random act of kindness on my Facebook page that I had first three people that commented got to get a little gift from me. So this is what I've made, and these will be mailed out this coming week. So let's go ahead and look through these. Like I said, I made three of them. I have some little images from Betty's Custom Creations on Etsy, digital kits, and also from where else did I get them? Tracy Fox. So let's go ahead and look in here at what we've got. The first one here on the front, this is actually a gift card that I cut out. Friends are the flowers in life's garden. And there's a little canceled postage stamp down here. And then up here I did one of my little wax seals. On the signatures, I tied them on the outside and put two little vintage dangles on there. And again, this is just a one signature, very plain on the outside. So this would be a great little journal or like a little list or note taker. In here I've got a guest check that I just did a little bit of stenciling on the front and then collaged up the back, and that slides in a little side pocket there. And then here I've got a little from the Library of God, and then it says book, author, date studied, and the scripture. Over here I've got a little side pocket and a little eco-dyed page there with some journaling spot on the back. So these are very simple, but I just thought I'd let you guys look through there. A little image there, stenciling on the background. And then I've got a music page here and lots of space just to add whatever recipient will like. Little word phrases, another canceled stamp there, little stenciling, a little more stenciling. So just lots of places to write and little text spots, again with a journal card on the back of that. Same with that one. And this is a magazine page that I made into a belly band. These little numbers here are from Betty's Custom Creations. A little bit of Edith Holden page there. And then in the back here we have a little side pocket again with a little journal cards and stenciling on the back of that. There's the first one. Let's go ahead and do a quick flip through of the second one. This has your images here. These are from Tracy Fox. Again with the wax seal there, little paper or book page behind. This has a little side pocket in the front. A little collaging there. This opens up. Journal card here. This is my textured paste that I make with spackle paste and gesso, and I have a video on that. I'll try to link in the description box. Little image there. This was a little Happy Mail that I got, so I put that in there with the little tassel. This is from Lindsay at nevermorecreations17.com. Little stenciling, little hand-drawn flowers. A little more Happy Mail here. Got some images in there. They can be put anywhere in the journal. And this just slides in the back there. These are also from Lindsay's shop. They are William Morris wallpaper inspired. This is just an image from a flower book. I thought that went really well there. And then in here we've got a little journal card here. Okay, so that's the second one. This is a wallpaper cover on that one. This one is also wallpaper cover on the front. And then this is from a paper pack, the little card on here, and I just cut it down and made it into the little phrase, put a little bit of layering on there, music page behind, of course. And like I said, these are just very simple. My thought on these was the people who are getting them might not necessarily be journalists. You know, they might not actually journal. So I thought it would be a nice place to also make it so that it could be a list. You know, if they just wanted to make a list on there. This is also from Lindsay's shop. I just cut it down. That actually was an 8.5 by 11 page, and this is from there too. So I just cut those down, made a little belly band here, did a little hand stitching around this journal card, the stenciling there, a little fold out spot for journaling or writing a list. This just flips up, and this flips out. This one's a little more interactive, I guess, huh? So back here we have a little pocket. This is actually a envelope, and if we look back over here, if I can find it, this is the flap from the envelope, and I just glued down about 3/4 of the way down. I don't glue all the way down because I don't want it to interfere with the thickness of the journal. So I just go about 3/4 of the way down, made 2 little pockets. And then on the other side, the envelope is here, and you can see under here where the envelope, where the flap comes down. So I just put this piece of music paper on here, layered it up, cut a little notch in it, and I had cut the end off, so that becomes a little side pocket. So that's how I created that. And that goes in there. And then again, just lots of places to write. In the back here I have a little layered up journal card with some stenciling on it. And there we have it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. I had a lot of fun making these, and I like to have giveaways from time to time. So you can find me on Facebook. My page on Facebook is Accessories by Yvette, and that is my Facebook business page. Or you can also find me here. I'm also my Etsy shop. I've had people ask me how to find that. My Etsy shop is also under Accessories by Yvette. So I will try to link at least my Etsy shop in the description box. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you can join me for my next one, whenever that will be. You guys know that I live in the middle of the house in my craft room, and my 2-year-old grandson is often here. So he went to the aquarium today. We live here at the Oregon coast, and they went to the aquarium, and I had a little bit of time to go through this video. So I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you guys have a great day, and thanks so much for watching.